welcome back to my channel. So we got a new fashion box order for this year, 2021. So I am going to open the January 11th, 2021. So first we got Unicorn Yoga card game.
Nice. We love card games.
That's cool.
You spin and play. Oh, this is cool. We got a family game.
Next we got like this, is it like lip gloss or something? What is that?
This is
Hair chalk?
Style Lab.
What is that?
It is lip gloss.
Mmm.
You like your lip gloss?
Yep.
You have more lip gloss than anybody's ever had in their whole
Got
life.
another one?
Oh, you're getting a collection of those. Let me see. I use one of these, you know that? I use one of your old ones in my fishing bag.
This one is
Whoa.
nail polish.
Like you need more nail polish.
And those kind are really drippy.
Look at those nails.
Okay, so we also got these, like, are they like bracelets? I think they're
Those are cool. Haha.
we also got bracelet. Woo! We got this unicorn not rainbow.
Oh, that's awesome.
And some more magic. These are magic face masks.
Oh, you're starting to get a collection of those too, aren't you?
Yeah, a lot of face masks. These are like magic face masks. They're like, they said like, they have rose quartz mask, pink clay face mask. So these are like the clay kind of face masks.
Oh, wow. You should do this when you have people spend the night.
Yeah. Okay, so we got the Stay Colorful Bracelet
It's
Designer.
a rainy day activity bracelet designer.
More bracelets. They have like go in that box.
And remember, when you have friends that have birthdays, these are great gifts for them. If you don't think,
Yeah.
if you feel like you have too many.
The last thing is like Chill Out Craft.
Chill Out Craft. These are hairbreads. Oh, you can make your own like diamond studded hairbreads and stuff.
Ooh, and I also from Santa got a glam set that you can like beads so you can glam up everything.
Excellent.
Well,
Excellent.
that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you later. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button and join my group on Roblox. Bye!